I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the second time I shot this part because I wanted to wear a different t-shirt. I want to do a little mod on some of my recent shoes. I like to do, I don't know, just like little things to protect my shoes, because kind of is like protecting an investment. Let me give you an example of the little mods or protector stuff I like to do, or I did like to do. A good example, no, not that one. I don't know how familiar you are with a company called Sole Protector, where you can actually buy like a clear vinyl to protect the bottom of your shoes. And the reason I like to do that is because I was buying a lot of Jordan 11s, Jordan 5s, 6s. They all come with the icy sole, and after time and exposure to dirt and just wearing them, they start to discolor and turn yellow. So these guys came up with a way to at least protect against that. Thing is, when you do that, you know, you lose a lot of traction, so you can't use them for performance. That's not the right shoe. You can't use them for performance anymore. They're really just for show. You can see the bottom is kind of, there's a little sheen to it. Let's see if the light's capturing that. These ones actually held up really well. And I did this like 3 or 4 years ago when I got these. Yeah, if you can see the bottom, you can see that you lose the traction and everything on there. But I've worn these a few times and wow, still icy. It's not foolproof, because eventually they'll turn yellow on their own due to just regular oxidation, and it also depends on how you store it and where you live and climate controls within a building. But for the most part, a lot of my 11s with the icy soles, you know, the clear soles, they've stayed, you know, looking fresh, brand new. I also tried to apply that to some Yeezys at one point, but it didn't really hold up. I actually tried it on this pair right here. At one point, yeah, I tried to do the entire sole, but then gave up on that. But for Yeezys, what I like to do is I like to seal in the exposed boost in like the heel area. Let me see if I can get that on camera. Let me turn it off. See that area right there? So I did seal that up a little bit. It wasn't the best job. It wasn't like 100% effective just because of the area, you know, and when you move on there enough. I've done it to all these 350s, but I haven't done it to this shoe right here, the Barium. So the little exposed boost on there is a little bit smaller, a little bit different, but check it out. You can see that in my lights. So what I want to do is kind of show how I do that with clear vinyl. You know, it's a tiny little mod, and to be honest with you, I don't expect it to be 100% super effective, but anything to like lengthen the life of these things, I'll do if it's easy enough and I can do it. I don't know, it's kind of deep in there. I don't really know how this is gonna go. So the concept is very simple. You take some clear vinyl that is actually meant for a car. I got this on eBay. If you just look up like clear car vinyl, even 3M. Well, let me kill the light. Cut it to the shape on there, and I'm gonna use a heat gun that you've probably seen me use on this channel for actual vinyl wrap on a car, but I actually have been using this forever to use on my shoes. I first started using this on shoes and not my car. A lot of people just use a blow dryer because that's simple enough. So yeah, let's try it out.
Oh, fuck. Not the whole YEEZY.
Alright, let's see how they turned out after I added the vinyl to them. Full disclosure, this is actually a few days later and I wore them, so they're not going to look just like super clean. Might have a little dirt to them, but what better way to show you that the vinyl wrap or whatever, the protector, worked. So let's check them out here. Not sure you can see that. But yeah, they held up pretty nice. Maybe it'll come off better with the other one. Yeah, not too bad after one wear. Let me just show you both of them.
Wow.
So I was able to use a protection, the vinyl, I guess, the clear vinyl on both shoes. What do you mean both shoes? Well, I also got these.
Wow.
There they are. You can tell by the tag right there. Got them on StockX. But yeah, did the same thing on the bottom. So maybe this actually turned into a secret pickup video. I put in a bid on StockX and then forgot about it. And then a couple weeks later, like really early in the morning, I got a notification that there was money taken from my account on PayPal. And I was like, what the hell? What the hell did I buy? And yeah, totally forgot about it. And here it is. So didn't expect to get these. Yeah, pretty reckless. So I wouldn't recommend putting in a bid in StockX and then forgetting about it, because you might end up with some regrets. Like, I think I might have been able to get them for cheaper had I paid attention. But I guess it's a lesson learned. But yeah, here they are. Let's do a little side-by-side action. Yeah, here's the two. Thanks for sticking around this long and watching the video. Hopefully I was able to show you something useful.